is it possible? I'm at the top of the mountain. I'm clean booty snow. Oh, oh. Oh. That was a dud. That was kind of weird. And I'm coming.
I don't think those things are working out for her, Mommy.
The hat?
No, the sunglasses.
I would take those sunglasses off you?
Okay, let's go get the sled in front, huh?
Just a few more times. Going down the alley and stuff. Uh-oh. Ready, Inga?
Whoa.
Okay, let's go get the sled.
I wonder if that guy knows he's piling that snow up on his building. Where are you going to put all that snow?
Oh, I just got to ship with a friend.
Share, right?
Exactly.
You're going to do the whole alley, right?
Yeah, I just keep going until I finish in a couple weeks. People just come out and give me soup.
Hey, you guys were gonna...
There's no way these people are going to be able to get out. They got to dig out.
Okay, let's go get the sled, you guys.
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa! You okay, Inga? Can you get up?
Hey, I made a snowball. Whoa.
Whatever you do, I don't want you guys to get like snow down your neck and stuff, or we're going right home, okay?
Okay.
'Cause then you'll start getting cold. Same with, I don't want you to get snow down your boots either.
So my boots?
Well, down your boots.
Oh.
You're not getting snow down your boots, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'll tell you if I am doing any of those reasons.
I want to kind of keep moving though. Grab that sled, Mommy.
I'm just sitting on the super slide. Mr. Wynn, can you stop saying hello? Get up here. Ina needs to go down this slide.
What happened?
She accidentally, her glove accidentally fell off.
Alright.
It's an accident.
Okay. Oh, jeez. I want you to be careful around her. Her hand's exposed right now. Here.
What? You said nothing about getting snow in the glove.
I'm gonna make your hand warm, okay? You wanna go home?
Yeah.
You wanna go home?
No.
Okay. Here, put your hand in your glove now.
Yeah. I'm supposed to home.
Hey.
Are you okay, man?
Yeah, we'll carry you. You okay? Oops, you okay? Okay.
You big arms. Why do you have big arms?
Why do I have big arms? Isn't that cold?
No, no,
Your head? You didn't tie the scarf too tight?
no,
Is that better?
no.
Let's go. I want to go see what Mommy's doing. Walk down here. Let's walk down here with Daddy. Here.
Whoa! Get back.
Daddy's going to put his gloves on. Come on, you guys.